Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hi friends, this is a 32-inch Samsung LED TV that comes to repair with the fault sound issue and display problem. While checking here, I found that the audio section of this motherboard is totally burned, but the motherboard is working. While checking with the display, we found that the right COF is totally burned from not only here but also from glass side is also burned, so we can't repair or restore the motherboard, and we can't repair this panel also using panel bonding machine. TV replacement is the better solution or permanent solution, so that's it. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.